This is super niche, but if you want to take still photos that have a little bit of movement in them, like this, or this, or this, and keep watching because I'm going to show you how to make a cinemagraph. Welcome back to my corner of the internet. My name's Aaron and I'm a photographer and content creator based in New York City. Before beginning, let's quickly go over what a cinemagraph even is. It's a combination of a still image and a video, where most of the scene is stationary, while a section moves on a continuous loop. This isn't a new concept. I used to see it more often when Instagram was still a photo sharing app. Now that everything's moved to video on social media, there hasn't been much creativity involved in photography. But lately, I've been seeing a rise of video postcards, which are literally just static videos, so I thought, why not start posting cinemagraphs again? There are a few ways to make a cinemagraph, but I found this to be the easiest way. The most important things to know are that you need a tripod and knowledge of masking in Photoshop. You can probably do this all in a video platform like Premiere, but I find there's more control with Photoshop. Set your camera or phone on a tripod and record a video for as long as you need. I typically record a scene between 10 and 30 seconds. Something to be conscious of when recording are clean lines. They will make your life infinitely easier. Whatever you want to be in the loop should not interact with anything else in the scene, because if there's a crossover, it's going to be difficult to clean up. After you've recorded your video, bring it into Photoshop. You can see here that a timeline is automatically shown. You can always turn that off later, but since we're working with a file that has a timeline, this is needed. Now, you can either keep the video as is, but if you want to do any editing, you'll need to first convert it to a smart object. Otherwise, what will happen is you edit one frame, but the rest isn't edited, and then you have a mismatch of color and lighting. After converting the video into a smart object, open Camera Raw, which you can find under Filter, and you start editing. Most of the interface is just like Lightroom, so if you're used to editing in Lightroom, you should be familiar here. Finish your edits, and now we get into the mixed media portion. Scrub through the video and find which frame you'll want to freeze. I've included the shortcuts on the screen. If you're going for a very specific look photo-wise, you can also take a picture in addition to recording a video when you're out in the field. But I found it to be a pain to reconcile both the photo and video together because the aspect ratio seems to mess up the alignment. I thought it would be straightforward, but it's highly dependent on the scene. So that's why in this video, I'm just recommending recording a video and freeze framing somewhere in there. It's simply less work. Anyway, after freeze framing, you'll see both the photo and video are on the same timeline. So drag the photo above the video, creating two separate layers. Now the photo is sitting on top of the video, and in order to show the video, a layer mask is needed. So add a layer mask to the photo layer. An easy way to remember how to mask layers is white shows, black hides. Then, using the paintbrush tool, paint out the video section you want to show. You can end here, or if you want to get more specific with your loop, once you're done masking, go to File, Export, Render Video. You can open it up in Premiere Pro and go further there. Otherwise, you're ready to post. For me, if I want to resize the video or manipulate the loop, I'll continue on in Premiere. But if I'm lazy, then I'll just leave it as is. And there you go. You've made your first cinemagraph. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.